Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a bookmark in your Google Docs document. So bookmark is very useful if you want to jump to a specific section of your document, or you want to mark certain section that you probably have done working on it and then you want to continue on the next section. And you can use bookmark for that purpose. Okay, I have this document and there are only 2 pages. Let's say I'm done working on the first page and then I want to continue working on the second page. Particularly, I want to start working after this section. What I need to do is I'm going to add a bookmark to this section. Let's say I'm going to place the cursor right here. You can actually place it anywhere you like. And then go to the insert menu, click bookmark. Right, so basically it will give a bookmark to that line of the paragraph. You can see that there's this tiny bookmark icon, meaning that, yeah, this section has been bookmarked. And if you want to open the document with this bookmark open, you can copy the link. And when you open the page, open a new tab, you can paste it. And it would immediately jump you to that section, meaning that you can work right away with that section. You don't have to try to remember when was the last time you are working on the document. So yeah, bookmark is quite useful to keeping track of your work or your reading on your Google Docs document. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on the next video.